మా హ్యాండ్సమ్ ఎవర్గ్రీన్ హీరో టొవినో థామస్ గారు ప్లీజ్.
Thank you so much. Hello, good evening. First of all, ఇక్కడ వచ్చిన అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ഇവിടെ വന്നിട്ടുള്ള എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. Thank you so much for waiting. And that was just one line I made sure I'll say here. They helped me. And next time when I come here, I'll give a full speech in Telugu. That's a promise. Also, so in 2016, this script was written. In 2017, that script was selected by the director and it was narrated to me, and from that day it was our dream, and our dream is coming true on September 12th, and we are inviting you all to be part of that dream. It's a very ambitious project for us, and we expect you all will like the movie too. And about Harish Sheldon, I call him Harish Sheldon, and I mean it. As he said, he is my brother from another mother, and thank you so much for being the sweetest person on the earth. You are. And we have worked together in Maya Nadi and Kalki, and now it's our third time we are collaborating, and he has always been very sweet to me, always given very positive vibes to me, and definitely will work again and again, and I love working with you, brother. Thank you so much. And Kriti has done an amazing job in ARM. I can vouch for her. And she already has fans in my house. My children, they keep playing this Bullet song in repeat mode. And I know Kriti from my daughter. Like, my daughter told me, this is Kriti Shetty. She acted in Bullet song. That's how I got introduced to, you got introduced to me. And she's an amazing talent. I've been telling this everywhere. She is so young, yet mature, and she is going to go places. Mark my words. And to you all, thank you so much for coming here to see us. I don't know. Okay, I'll switch to Malayalam, as there are a lot of Malayalis are here. കുറച്ച് നേരത്തെ പറയാമായിരുന്നില്ലേ സുഹൃത്തെ, ഞാൻ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് കഷ്ടപ്പെടുന്നത് കണ്ടില്ലേ. ഒരുപാട് സന്തോഷം ഇവിടെ വരാൻ സാധിച്ചത്, ഇവിടെ വെച്ച് നിങ്ങളെ കാണാൻ സാധിച്ചത്. അപ്പൊ ഈ സിനിമ നിങ്ങളെല്ലാവരും തിയേറ്ററിൽ തന്നെ പോയി 3Dയിൽ കാണണം. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടാൽ ആ 4 പേരോട് പറയണം, കാര്യം അത് ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് ഭയങ്കര ഹെൽപ്ഫുൾ ആയിരിക്കും. Thank you so much. Love you all. See you again very soon.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your wonderful words. And